Welcome back. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create journal entries in the system. To begin, navigate to the Journal Entries application. Here, you'll see a list of existing journal vouchers. To create a new one, click the Add button. By default, the voucher date is filled in automatically by the system. You can change the date if needed. The accounting period is also auto-selected based on the voucher date. These two fields are linked, so you can't choose a date that falls outside the selected accounting period. Next, choose the reference type for the journal entry. You can select either automated or manual. Since we are manually creating this entry, we'll select manual. You can also choose whether this is a subledger transaction. This is applicable if the entry involves accounts like accounts payable, accounts receivable, or employee accounts. In that case, you'll need to mark this as a subledger entry. If the entry is only for natural accounts, you don't need to select the subledger option. When a subledger entry is selected, the system will prompt you for additional details at the line item level to support further drill down and reporting. There's also an option to choose a one-side entry, which means one side, either debit or credit, is fixed, and you only need to enter the other side. We'll explore more about one-sided entries in upcoming videos. For now, we'll continue with a simple journal entry. You can assign a cost center, enter a reference number if needed, specify a reference date, give the journal a name, and also add a narration. Once these details are filled in, we click the Add button to begin entering line items. Let's say we're making a payment to settle some expenses. First, we'll select the bank account from which the payment is being made. This account will be credited. Suppose we are paying 2,000 rupees. We enter this amount and save the first line. Next, we'll record the debit side, where we distribute the 2,000 rupees across different expense accounts. Let's debit Visa and stamp duty expenses with 1,000 rupees. This is an account we created earlier in another video. Next, we'll add another expense line for employee welfare. We'll debit this account with the remaining 1,000 rupees and include a description such as employee welfare-related payments. By default, the narration provided at the header level is copied into each line item, but you can edit each line item's narration individually to reflect the specific purpose of the expense. In our case, we'll update the narration to accurately describe the two expenses being recorded, Visa and stamp duty and employee welfare, and correct any default narration that may not be relevant. Once all line items are completed, we verify that the credit and debit amounts are equal, 2,000 rupees on each side, confirming the journal is balanced and ready for posting. We then click the Post button and the journal entry is successfully posted to the ledger. That's it for this video. You've just seen how to create a basic journal entry in the system, covering both debit and credit sides. In upcoming videos, we'll explore more advanced features and entry types. Thanks for watching.